Hello, good morning. I am Nilachal Roy. Today I am reading a short report from the Hindu newspaper. Now let's read the newspaper report first. Principal held for killing 6-year-old girl in Gujarat. The meaning of held, principal arrested for killing a 6-year-old girl where in Gujarat. The principal of a government run primary school in Gujarat, Dahod district, was arrested for allegedly killing a 6-year-old girl student after she resisted his attempt to sexually molest her, police said on Sunday. Now we have two unknown words. First, allegedly, and second, sexually molest her. So what is the meaning of allegedly? Allegedly का मतलब है कथित रूप से, and sexually molest her means यौन निपीड़न. Okay, so the principal of a government run primary school in Gujarat Dahod district was arrested. For what reason? For killing a 6-year-old girl. But now the question is that why the principal had killed the girl? Because the principal wanted to sexually abuse the girl, and the girl resisted, and the girl prevented the sexual assault on her. Then in a fit of rage the principal killed her. The police launched a probe after the child's body was found inside the school compound on Thursday. So, police started the investigation after the child's body was found where inside the school compound on Thursday. Principal Govind Nath smothered the girl after she fended off his attempt to sexually molest her, said SP Rajdeep Singh Jala. So, police SP said that principal wanted to sexually molest the girl, but the girl tried to save herself. Here, fended off means prevented, successfully prevented the attempt of sexually molesting her. Then the principal smothered. Smothered mean गले घोट के हत्या करना. Okay. Technical analysis and the time when he left the school in the evening made him the prime suspect, and he confessed to the crime after interrogation. He said the police super said that they have found ample proof in order to show that he is the real culprit. So there are two techniques: technical analysis and the video recording of the whole event made him suspect, and he also confessed. Confessed means स्वीकार करना, मान लेना, to the crime after interrogation. Means कि after a prolonged probe, after a prolonged पूछताछ, after a prolonged पूछताछ के बाद वो प्रिंसिपल मान लिया. क्या मान लिया? जो वही वो बच्ची को गला घोट के हत्या कर दिया. थैंक यू. अभी आपको क्या करना है? You have to make sentence with allegedly and then launched and then smothered and fended off. So you have 4 stock of words. Now you have to make sentence with these 4 words in the comment section. Thank you.